Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to delete your YouTube watch history fast in 2025. If you want a fresh start or just keep your viewing private, here's the quickest way to clear it. Open the YouTube app. Tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Now, tap View All to see your full watch history. If you want to remove videos one by one, tap the three dots next to the video, then tap Remove from Watch History. If you want to clear all your watch history, tap the three dots at the top right, then tap Clear All Watch History. Confirm what it asks, and that's it. Want to stop tracking your watch history entirely? Just toggle on Pause Watch History. Let's try watching a video. Now, go back to your history. You'll see YouTube won't save any more videos you watch. This helps keep your recommendations clean and private. Quick, clean, done in seconds.